Hi, Land O'Lakes. My name is Claire Schlomer. I'm from the small town of St. Mary's, Ohio, and I joined FFA as soon as I could. There I met Mrs. Bambauer, my greatest mentor to date. She encouraged me to explore the connection between my love for global health and agriculture. This culminated in me presenting a research paper at the World Food Prize Global Youth Institute. From there, I decided to chase the dream of working in international ag development at Purdue University with an international agronomy major. While here, I've gotten involved with research and picked up a minor in Spanish. I believe that I would be a sound investment for Land O'Lakes because I thrive with mentor guidance and project-based work. I also have a strong love for international development and human progress. I truly love working hard, and I'm definitely not afraid to get my hands in the dirt, especially when I'm excited about the prospect of a challenge. Thank you very much for your time and consideration.